How to check who viewed your profile on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can check who has viewed your profile on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So unlike Facebook and Instagram, TikTok does make it possible for us to view who has viewed a profile, but it comes under a certain privacy condition. To figure this out, first of all, just go ahead and launch a TikTok application. Make sure you're signed in. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. Now if you look, you can see this is my profile page, and if you look at the top right, you can see the little sleeper or the footprint like icon there. You can simply tap on it. Here you'll find a section called profile views. Now let me just explain to you how this function works, okay? So you have a profile views feature, you have turned it on. And if someone else who is viewing your profile also has this feature turned on, then only you're going to get notified that someone else has viewed your profile. However, if either one of you have turned it off, for example, let's say I have turned it off and the other person has turned it on, but they view my profile or I view theirs, it's not going to notify none of us. So in this case, both of the parties need to have the profile views options enabled. Other than that, it's not going to work, because if one of you only have turned it off, you are not going to get notified that profile views and that person has viewed your profile. So keeping this thing in mind, all you have to do is just tap the turn on button from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and next time onwards, whenever someone views your profile and that they have profile views turned on, you'll basically get notified that person has viewed the specific profile. And also if you view their profiles, they're also going to get notified in a similar manner. And that is it for today's video on how you can check who viewed your profile on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.